Okay, class, so this is how we're doing lower thirds for classes here. Go to Captions and Graphics. From there, search for lower thirds, and you're going to look for the one that says Classic Lower Thirds, 2 lines. Okay, from there, you are going to just drag that Captions and Graphics 2 lines to the timeline. Okay, once it's in the timeline and you are still in the Captions and Graphics workspace, you can change the text, make the bigger text the name of the person that is featured in your video, and then on the smaller one, give a description of their role. So this is a cinematography student, and that's what we're going to write for their role. So it's going to end up being blue. What we can do is go and change that to Douglas colors. That option there, you go to one of the triangles, click on it, make the left one orange, Douglasy kind of orange, and then Douglasy kind of green for the right triangle. And that'll blend, we call it a gradient from the left to the right. And there you go. We get some school colors on there. If you have a second person you're interviewing, you can copy that lower third and then paste it on the next person. And you don't have to change the colors again. You can just change the text.